So, salam alaikum, my Indonesian brothers and sisters. Salam alaikum, everyone who watched this. How many? After like 1 week, I think, yeah, little more, maybe after 10 days. As you can see, to hear like many who wake up. I'm shocked, but I can born ayva, what we call to Russian language, just buying this fruit to magazine, eat this, save bibit, after this put bibit, and this is like born. This is like kubis. To here like have tomato too. Oh, what I don't have, this is paper, not my ears in this moment. MashaAllah. Of course I'm buying paper to magazine, one paper fruit, and like take bibit to here. Still sabar and wait, don't have choice. Yeah. To here like this is flowers to my Indonesians friends and partners. She's do perfect bouquet to flowers, drawing flowers, natural flowers, coppermint flowers, not real flowers, but bouquet very especially if you want to do present to mothers, grandmothers, mothers, istri, sisters, girlfriends, children's, or what, doesn't matter what them, just read comments, give questions, and I put number phone. This like girls, she's Nama Halida, and she showed to you all chantics to self works. Alhamdulillah. Like this. This is like Malina. As you can see, she's like born. Of course, to hear nothing place to born. Start to born leaves because somebody wild touched this or what heard this. But Allah placed these trees, and as you can see, she's like born from mother roots. Alhamdulillah, this is very chantik and cute. About yellow rose too, I wanted before delete these fingers, but alhamdulillah, you see, now two, mashallah. One like born, two born, so she's still alive, what I can say. To this side too, she's like more up now, go more up, very big now. Ivy, who remembers, he's very big too now. Kalanchoe, very big too now. Why I start shoot this video? Mashallah, my hand very old. Yeah, I take this and wanna delete because this very big. I don't need this big. I wanna delete this everyone and Pruning what I delete to filter. Maybe to somebody's Indonesian women's girls likes anting like this. Why not? Very chantik, very cute form. Yeah, I delete this for his be like more like who, like head. Yeah, like this. Yeah, like this. You see, he's like safe form. How I delete left, right, like these two. I must delete now. You see, like. Yeah, very old and don't need. What about this? I have like start to beginning. You see this like size horizontally cheek, so I must delete to here two more closer. And after this he's born many line like this. Like this. I hope everybody understood what I mean. Yeah. So I think I cannot like take camera and shoot. Of course, maybe I'm trying. So something like this. Of course now this is little scare, but after times be something like this. Many young leaves. Reloading born, come back, you see to here like young fingers. I think he's wanna give present flowers, you see like little buttons. Still wanna present flowers. If I place this, everyone side when I delete these fingers in there must reloading and processing like born new flowers. Alhamdulillah, for this be like this. So just sabar and wait. And about this now I wanna sorting this and take what to coppermint, what to garbage. Of course I can put this to water and this is like reloading, give roots, and this is be like new kalanchoe. Many people who do this to sell like do like this. But okay, in this moment I'm just sabar. And yeah, what I have like new stories I show maybe later. Buying fruit, exotic fruit, mango, and mango take bibit, and mashallah I put this to paper, to water, and mango bibit present to me roots and leaves, finger leaves. So inshallah, this is of course sometimes shock, but sometimes like I what this is exotic fruit, but born to here. Of course, I not wait for this is like trees give me fruit or what. No, I just wait chantic leaves to electroforming, copruning, and when this is happen, I can like present more exotic jewelry. Alhamdulillah, like these brothers and sisters. So, if you be interested, read comments, present likes. Salam alaikum.